Hi guys, Big Bang Biker here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. So in this video series, which is called the Chikmagalur series, I took my wife to Chikmagalur and we explored quite a few places like Mullayanagiri, Bababudangiri, Manikyadara Falls, Jari Waterfalls and some of the other places that came along the way. And we went on a 2 days or a 2.5 days ride and had loads and loads of fun. And this is the first time my wife came with me on a rain ride. She got to experience what it feels like when riding on a motorcycle and experiencing the rain, and we were extremely happy with how Chikmagalur treated us. This happened somewhere around September, and I have edited this video like 4 times, man. Every time I used to edit, export it, keep it somewhere, either I have deleted it by mistake or the video file has got corrupted or something or the other commitments used to come and I used to lose this particular edit. So this time I made my mind, wanted to show you what happened in Chikmagalur, and it's one of the most beautiful experiences that I've had. Back then, 2 years ago or 3 years ago, I did this ride on Mojo. I have done this ride on a Tiger. I went into coffee plantation and everything. That was beautiful as well. But taking my wife to these places and making her explore was one of the best experiences ever. So this is a 2-part video series. Day 1, we are going to Mullayanagiri and we'll be riding in rain. We'll be stuck in rain and we'll be going to the peak of Mullayanagiri as much as possible. Show you everything. Just stay tuned and have fun. And tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, the part 2 of the video will be ready. There I'll be talking again and explaining more. Chalo, let's go watch this. After so many months of waiting, finally we're out on a ride on a beautiful bike, and we are at Chikmagalur. So this is our room tour. The lighting could have been better, but the hotel is really nice. Alvena? Chanagida. So we are here in Chikmagalur. And this is how our room looks. Very clean, very well maintained. Can you open the blinds, Chino? Yes. Very nice hotel.
Some mountains again.
Yes. Anyways, we'll be going to the top of the mountain anyway. And we have a good utility or balcony or whatever you want to call it. It's nice. The last part that I want to show is the bathrooms. Very clean. Beautiful weather, right? Oh, it's raining. It's raining. So Shruti and I haven't put raincoats on still. We'll wear raincoats and go again. Ako, raincoat ako. Aamel barತೀವಿ sir. So this is what I wanted you to experience. Paravilla. So this is how my bike looks with a brand new windshield and the top rack here. I'll show how to fit things on the back. I've got brand new gloves also. Everything is new. It's just that due to not enjoy this bike at all as much as I wanted it to be. This time I'll enjoy to the core. And all this is hyperriders.co.in. So my friend Sambhav, who makes different kinds of modification for different bikes like Duke or Dominar and other things, Usha has also created some things for adventure also. So one at a time I'll fix things on my bike and show you how to modify it. So far this has been brilliant. I came from Bangalore only this morning, and in this cool weather I'll take my wife for a proper ride and make her experience as to what or rain dry days. Nan pant kodu. So I'd used these pants in Ladakh actually, with obviously too many other things, but this is one of the pants which I'd taken to Ladakh, and I'm getting to use it again after 2 years. Seriously, 2 years. ಹುಷಾರು, ಅದು ಫೋನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗಿಟ್ಕೋ. ಎನಿವೇಸ್, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಯಾವತ್ತೋ ಲದಾಖ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗೋದು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಅವನ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ. the greenery is another level. Road ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಅದೇ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಮೇ ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ರೈಡ್ನ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಡು, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸಾರ್ ಅವರಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾಗಾಬಿಟ್ರೆ ರಂಗಗಳ ಸೂಪರ್. That was a good cargo. Oh, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋಣ. Oh God. Biker's paradise ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತೀನೋ, ನಿಲ್ಸೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತೀನೋ. See, this is what I was telling. It gets colder and colder, yes, but you won't regret it. You will enjoy it. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ. ಬರೋ ಜಾಗ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೋಬೋದು. I cannot look at your left. Yeah, I can see that. ಏನಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಇಟ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ರಿವೀಲ್ಡ್. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹ್ಯಾರಿ ಪಾಟರ್ದು ಮೂವಿ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಇದು. ಲೂಮಿನಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಸ್, ಎಸ್. ಓ ಗಾಡ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರೇ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓ ರಾಜು. Oh, there is a traffic jam. ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ತಾನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಸ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಯಾವನೋ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯನ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Now you know why I wanted to get you to Mullayanagiri. ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಏನು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಬೇಡ. ಸರಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಡ್ರಾಪ್, ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೆದರ್ಕೋಬೇಡವೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಚಿನ್ನ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಡೂಡ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ. ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. See, we can stop there if you want. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾರ್ನ. ಹಿಂದೆ ತಿರ್ಗ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಳ್ಳಯ್ಯನಗಿರಿ. ಐ ನೋ. ವಾವ್, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. Let's go. Climb. It will be a little slippery, so be very careful. Careful. Dora the Explorer.
Where is the mountain?
I know. I want to take a photo here. Let them come, no? Yes, get on, no? ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ತೆಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಷಾರು, ಕಾಲು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಅದು ನಿನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಚಿನ್ನ. ಬಂತಾ? ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಶೋ ಮಿ. ಓಕೆ. Oh, dude. How was it, Chino? Nice. Super, can I told you, you're an adventurous girl, dude. Really. Yes. What an experience, Chino. We longed this so much, Alva. So me and my wife are so crazy that it's raining heavily, but still we stood to take a photo with the stream here. A small waterfall. Thanks, Shruti. Love you so much, dude. See, just having an adventure motorcycle and not being adventurous, you know, it doesn't really make any sense. Yeah. Let's go. ಇವಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್